Skydive Indianapolis. What's going on?
No, I'm just waiting to go jump with my son, his best friend, and his wife. So.
All right. Yep. You're gonna see them in a second on the airplane?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Are you excited?
Oh yeah, I can't wait. I've been waiting to do this my whole life. So.
Nervous?
Not at all.
No.
Anxious. I can't wait to do it.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Have a good time. I'll see you up there.
Thank you very much.
All right, man.
Awesome.
Go ahead and take the goggles off. What do you think?
That was tremendous. Can't wait to do it again. Thought it was awesome.
Good time, huh?
Great time.
Nice job.
Thanks, man.
Congratulations. Give me a high five.
Got it.
Look in the sky with us.